Hi friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts, and today I made the cutest little Easter bunny using a Dollar Tree bunny that looked like this when I started, and now she looks like this when I'm finished. And I've used Dollar Tree supplies. I've used tulle from the Crafters Square collection, and I've used a little headband from the Dollar Tree. I used some diamond wrap for her necklace, for her bracelet, and for her little ring. And I've used a piece of boa for her little hat that I made. And I put some little glasses on her, and she's all ready now for Easter. And I think she turned out really cute. So if you'd like to make this or one like this, follow along to Grandma Vicki Crafts and I'll show you how on YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye now.